Hello from Italy! Today I want to show you how to prepare Saltimbocca alla Romana, a yummy second course of the Roman tradition. They are the second best known dish out of Italy immediately after spaghetti. Can you imagine why? A savory dish that can only jump straight in your mouth. Excellent, accompanied by a good glass of red wine. They are quick to prepare. The original recipe has undergone changes over the years, but let's discover my quick version. As usually during preparation, I'll reveal you step by step my tips that makes this recipe a real success, and together in a short time we'll make a very special second dish. So I will say let's start immediately with the recipe. By the way, you may find all the ingredients below. Here we are again after the preparation. Enjoy your Saltimbocca alla Romana straight away, so they remain juicy and tender. They are perfect for a savory and quick meal. So try it. Should you have any questions, make a post below and I'll be more than happy to answer you. Do you like this recipe? Then subscribe, you will have more video. See you soon, bye!